You know what time it is? Time to open another Lego package. Let's go. We're using baby scissors because I couldn't find mine, so safety first. Okay, I guess something spilt in here. That's fun. Lego. Oh, yep. Well, the first thing I got was the Halloween VIP add-on pack, and yeah, that opened up in there. That's a first for me. Kind of flung some pieces around my room. Well, there's that. We will slowly fill this up as we go. And here we've got the mini Disney The Haunted Mansion. Set number 40521. I have not seen this movie yet. However, I'm literally about to watch it tonight. So. Okay, and then I got this poly bag here. I used 500 VIP points to redeem this set. And it is the Creator 3-in-1 Tropical Parrot set number 30581. And then a gift with purchase that I got is this guy right here from the Lego Ideas theme. This is set number 40566, Ray the Castaway. You had to spend $120 to get this gift with purchase. And the biggest set I get this time that maybe you can see peeking out of the box here. This is my most wanted set at the moment. It is Andreas Theater School. Set number 41714. In case you were not aware, I am an actor and theater is one of my passions besides Lego, so theater and Lego pretty much defines me. That's why this was my most wanted set, and I'm super excited I finally got it. Plus, I'm glad I waited because it came out in May, the end of May, I believe. It came out, and I'm glad I waited because October this month, it is one of the 2 double VIP point sets. There's also a week in October. Actually, it might be the week that this video comes out. Anyway, that is all double VIP points for everything. But this way I could get Ray the Castaway and the Halloween add-ons gift with purchases and still get double VIP points for at least one of the sets I bought. All right, so we got Andreas Theater School, Ray the Castaway, Disney's Mini Haunted Mansion, 3-in-1 Tropical Parrot, and the Halloween add-on set that kind of spilled out into my box here. Comment below which one you want to see me build first. Happy building, everyone!